So the mic that I ordered from AliExpress, I believe just arrived, and yeah, let's unbox it. The packaging is actually really nice. I was a bit scared that the mic would come out. Anyway, I haven't opened it yet to see the inside, but so far I have a lot of confidence that it will be okay. Okay, so this is the Hollyland Lark M2 mic. These are wireless mics. I got the one for Android devices because I use an Android phone. This is a Type-C receiver, but new iPhones also have Type-C, so this should be able to work with Android and iPhones. There's also a camera adapter, but I didn't get that one because I don't use like a normal camera. Okay, so let me unbox this so we can see what's inside. There's a seal at the bottom over here. Okay, so this should be the manuals. I'll be checking them out later. Maybe I should just bring these ones out now. These are stickers that you can add to the mic. I'll check them out later. The manuals. I don't know what this is. Okay, I guess this is for like if you need support, like customer service. I'm not really sure. I'll check it out later as well. Okay, so we have the case. And inside here, you should see the mic and the receiver. So this is the receiver, Type-C. And these are the mics. Inside, you can see that this case has some terminals that charge the microphones. And I believe the case can also be charged. Let's see if there's anything else inside. Okay, there's a bag. And this stuff that they always tell us not to eat. Okay, inside the bag, okay, you have this, I think this is called the dead cat for windy areas. I don't really use these things. My current mic also has one, but I hardly use it. So it's good to have anyways. Oh, there's two of this. I'll just keep this one in the bag. I won't remove it. Okay, this is the one you hang around your neck. Maybe I'll be using this. There's two. Yeah, there's two. You hang these around your neck. You connect the mic to it, and then you hang it around your neck. I don't plan to use this anytime soon, but we'll see. Okay, the bag actually has two sides. So this is the other side. That's nice. We have a Type-C cable. It's actually very strong. That's nice. And finally, we have some clips in case you want to clip it to your shirt. I'll be learning how to use the mics in the coming weeks. This one is also magnetic. So I'll put everything back, and I'll be learning how to use this mic in the coming weeks. So for now, all I have to do is charge the mics, and then I'll do a full review after using and understanding how the mic works. So hopefully you found this unboxing helpful. Please give it a like and subscribe so you get to see the full review. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.